Hi. She's a retard. Shut up. We are Seriolia, and this is like our first video, and we suck. We laugh at everything as well. What are we doing? That's a picture!
I know,
What, of someone's head, like, twisting around in a, like that.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh crap. Oh god, we're bored and we are... Who's Bobelina Marley?
I don't actually know.
Yeah. Our imaginary friend... Do you mind? Our imaginary friend is called Bob... What was it? Bobelina Marley.
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing is, this is like introducing us. This here is Fran, and she's really gay.
That's really... Try to eat me.
Yeah, no, don't press anything. Don't press anything.
I'm pressing buttons.
Don't press buttons. Don't press buttons. No. 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 That's the only buttons you're gonna wreck. No! No!
Yeah.
No! No!
Oh, stop.
No more Fran. No more Fran. No more Fran. I did not break that. Anyway. Anyway, Fran's gay. And I think...
Hey.
I can't see. I can't see the camera. Move.
Oh,
Everywhere. Ugh. Anyway. I'm probably going to be the one uploading most of the videos this time. Yes, indeed. And as you can hear, we are British, so don't take the piss.
we're not too British. Any.
No, we're not.
Scared.
That's like, isn't that like super?
Scared.
Isn't that ridiculous?
Scared.
Potter! Go get the mini chillers. Go get the mini chillers. Go get the mini chillers. Ah! She's a horse. Look. Here. Go get the mini cheddars, darling. What did you just like break? Knocked over what? You sure? Do you want me to come and have a look? I can't be bothered. Anyway. I'm probably gonna be the main one uploading these videos. Pig. And yeah, this is gonna be a really crap video. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna like go and make up some more videos, and yeah, we'll probably upload some videos soon. Anyway, ciao.
Operated boy.